Here's a song I composed by the help of these guys giving us the inspiration. We wanted to do something a little bit different with the slack key. We wanted to turn slack key into slack key bluegrass. So we've never done it before. We've only rehearsed kind of once or twice, and it's one of those things where everyone's trying to catch each other.
Yeah.
And so we decided to name the song Catch Me If You Can. So bear with us, I think it's going to be fun. So I'm new at the game. He's the man behind the whole bluegrass thing.
Somebody can get hurt.
Someone can get hurt doing this. So here's a song called Catch Me If You Can. Or something like this. Way too slow. Pick it up. Don't ask us to do that again.